So dear students, today I will start the electric field intensity on the equatorial line of an electric dipole, which is one of the important topic so far as your final exam is concerned. So to understand this, let us consider an electric dipole AB of dipole length 2a having center O. Let P be a point at a distance r on its perpendicular bisector or its equatorial line where electric field intensity due to this dipole is to be calculated. So to explain this, first of all, let us consider that a unit charge plus 1 is placed at point P. This is important to understand the directions of electric field. So to start with, first of all, let me tell you that this is the perpendicular bisector. So this is an equilateral, this is a right triangle. This is also a right triangle. This is r, this is a. Using Pythagoras theorem, this is r square plus a square under root. So PO square plus OB square is equal to PB square. So in this way you can calculate PB, which is equal to PA, and its value is r square plus a square under the root. Now first of all, let us calculate electric field intensity at point P due to charge minus Q at A. Now this is negative charge, this is positive charge plus 1. So negative charge attract the positive charge, that is why direction is along PA. So electric field EA 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q, magnitude is Q, into 1 over the distance is PA square and direction is along PA. Now so far as the value of PA is concerned, we have calculated it to be r square plus a square under root. Square is there, so it will become r square plus a square along with that direction. Now I have to calculate electric field intensity at point P due to charge plus Q at B. So again, the distance between the two is PB, which is equal to r square plus a square under the root. Now see here, this is positive, this is plus 1. Positive will repel positive, that is why direction is along BP. So EB, so for EB it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 1 over BP square. Now again substitute the value BP. So this is the electric field. Now you can see the value of electric field at A and the value of electric field due to charge minus Q at A and due to charge plus Q at B, both are equal in magnitude, but they are inclined at different directions. So to calculate the resultant electric field due to EA and EB, I have completed the parallelogram. And now to calculate the value of E, we have so many methods, and one of the simplest method is you just compare this parallelogram and this triangle. Now see here how this electric field is parallel to BA. Proportional sides, you can say E upon BA. EA of parallelogram is equal to PA of triangle. So EA upon PA. Similarly, EB upon BP. You just comparison E parallel to BA, EA parallel to PA, and EB parallel to BP. So these are proportional. So I have written this in the ratio form using vector laws. Now you can take either first two or the next two. See here, I have taken E upon BA is equal to EA upon PA. Bring this BA to other side. This will become E is equal to EA. BA is taken to here, that will become BA upon PA. Now so far as value of BA it is A plus A, that is 2A upon PA is r square plus a square under the root, and this is the value of EA. EA value is this is BA, this is PA. Q into 2A is P, and here r square plus a square power 1, here r square plus a square power 1 by 2. They are multiplying, powers get added, become power 3 by 2. So resultant electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by r square plus a square 3 by 2. and the direction is, you can see, this is the direction. Diagonal gives the direction of resultant electric field, which is from B to A, or you can say from positive charge to negative charge. I have written here BA. Now there is a special case. If dipole is very small, or if the observation point is very much away, so r is very large as compared to A. In that particular case, when r is very large as compared to A square can be neglected. So when you will neglect this r square, sorry, A square, you will get r square, 3 by 2 square, and root cancel, it will become r cube. So resultant electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r cube, and direction will remain positive charge to negative charge. Thank you very much.